Have you ever felt lost in a world full of choices? Unsure which way to go, what's right, and how to live meaningfully? Imagine if you had a clear map, a guide that shows you how to act with integrity, make ethical decisions, and live a life of purpose. That map exists, and it's called Stoicism. Today, I'm going to show you how to live a truly virtuous life, step by step according to the Stoics. Stoicism teaches us that virtue is the only true good and vice the only true evil. Everything else, wealth, status, pleasure, even health, is indifferent. It doesn't mean we shouldn't enjoy life, but our happiness should never depend on external circumstances. Instead, we focus on what we can control, our choices, our judgments, and our actions. Living virtuously means aligning your will with reason, cultivating wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline in every decision you make. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a sailor navigating a stormy sea. The waves crash around him. The sky darkens, and lightning flashes across the horizon. He cannot control the storm, the wind, the waves, or the clouds, but he can control how he steers his ship, how he adjusts the sails, and how he responds to danger. Life is much like that stormy sea. We can't control what happens to us, loss, criticism, or misfortune, but we can control our responses. Your virtue is your compass. Your reason is your sail. Here's how to start. First, observe yourself daily. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his journals to reflect on his actions, his judgments, and his mistakes. Ask yourself, did I act with wisdom, with courage, with justice? Self-reflection turns experience into learning. Second, focus on what you can control. Make a list of worries or goals. Separate them into what's controllable, your choices, reactions, habits, and what's not, others' opinions, natural events. Give your energy only to what you can control. Third, practice courage in small ways. Courage isn't just facing death. It's speaking the truth, admitting mistakes, asking for help, confronting a fear you've been avoiding. Daily small acts of courage build moral strength. Fourth, live justly. Justice isn't only about law, it's about fairness, kindness, and integrity. Treat others as you would want to be treated. Keep promises, honor agreements, and act ethically even when nobody is watching. Fifth, cultivate self-discipline. Temperance in actions and desires is essential. Resist unnecessary indulgences. Simplify your life. Train your mind to prioritize virtue over fleeting pleasure. Sixth, reflect on mortality. The Stoics practiced memento mori. Remember, you will die. This isn't meant to scare you, but to remind you of life's brevity. Let every day be a chance to act rightly, because time is precious. Seventh, respond, don't react. When confronted with insult, failure, or challenge, pause. Ask, what is within my power here? Respond thoughtfully, instead of reacting impulsively. Your choices define you, not the circumstances. Think of virtue as a muscle. You don't gain strength by wishing for it. You build it through exercise. Each decision to act rightly, each moment you choose reason over impulse, is a rep for your moral muscle. Over time, you become stronger, steadier, unshakable. So if you want a life of purpose, peace, and moral strength, start today. Reflect daily. Act justly, cultivate courage, and master yourself. The world may throw storms at you, but with virtue as your compass, you will navigate them with calm, wisdom, and resilience. Live as the Stoics taught, not for fame, not for wealth, but for the integrity of your own soul. This is the path to true freedom, to true happiness. Begin now, and take control of the only thing you truly can, your own virtuous life.